Damn, boy, you thick.
Oh my God! Stogie going crazy!
Alright. This is why I'm so inconsistent on vlogs. I'm in the middle of doing shit, didn't pull out the camera not once. It's just cause I'm terrible at this shit. But make this quick. Destroy my oil pan. It even worked the other day. So there's that. Placing the oil pan. I'll get a better angle on this side. Bow. So broke all the oil pan bolts loose. All the oil pan bolts. There. They're all broke loose. Oil pan is obviously drained, so don't gotta do that. But so yeah, 2 header bolts stuck on. This bolt and this bolt. All the other bolts broke loose. Did all this shit off camera, of course. They're all broke loose. But 2 header bolts, so I can't drop the exhaust. So can't just take that off. So headers stuck on. All the oil pan bolts broke. New oil pan in the car, brand new. Shout out my cousin. Brand new oil pan. Gasket. Fucking header bolts. Yeah, we're gonna try to get some help, and I'll turn y'all back on when we get some progress, because right now we're at a standstill. Okay, day 2. Last night we did make some progress. Cousin X came over, helped me get the header off. I'm an idiot. We know this. I'm gonna get this out there now. I'm not a mechanic. As much as I love to work on cars and help, I'm not the main guy. I don't really know too much about what I'm doing. I'm learning as I go. So, not the best at this. I love to do it though. I want to learn. Today it's really foggy. Everything's wet. So I don't even need this. But everything's wet. So it's gonna be a little bit higher of a task. Last night, oil pan removed. We left a couple bolts on it just to keep it on there. But got everything in here. Everything I need. Under the car is not too wet, which is good. And that's where I'm gonna be. So yeah, I don't have anybody here to help me. Once again. So camera cut off, but I will be having to turn y'all on and off. First order of business is those bolts are stripped. Couldn't get those off. Had to keep that on. Take the header off from there, which right here, which I was saying. Yeah, but I'm gonna tighten these header bolts back up and then start taking off the old pan. 2 bolts is on there. Start putting back on the new one. See how this goes. Okay. Damn. Got the old oil pan off. Took 2 bolts out. Tighten the header back up. Oil pan off. Gonna grab the new oil pan. I'm gonna use this jack to hold the oil pan up where I need it to be. Because it's kind of hard to do by yourself. Well, fucking one hand holding it, one hand wrenching. So I'm gonna try to prop that up. Get that where I would like. And then we're gonna move on to putting the pan on. I gotta call my cousin and see if I even have to put these brackets on. But some brackets that was connected to the oil pan, kind of the transmission that we didn't have to get by before. So we'll see. Update. New oil pan on. All we gotta do now, change that. I don't know if you can see it. That oil filter in there. Start her up. Oil filter. Already got it come loose. I don't think anything's gonna come out because this shit is dry, but in case I got the little bag. Come on. Yeah, I expected dry as shit. So yeah, old oil filter out. Boom. Throw the new one in. Put some oil in this motherfucker. Drop it down. Start it up. I'm not gonna record me putting oil filter on. I'll show you when it's in, but you know. Alright, new oil filter's in. Old oil filter's out. Time to drop it off this jack stands. Put some oil in it. Start her up. Had to do a couple things off camera to get it running, but she running. She's running. No leaks. Had to take off the silencer.